Hello guys, this video is going to be a mess. So if you cannot tell by my background, my room is an absolute disaster, and that is due to college, stress, procrastination, and a whole lot of laziness. So we're going to put an end to that today, and we're going to clean, reorganize, and redecorate my entire room. And I'm not sure how long that's going to take, but this video is going to be the journey of me trying to get my life together and clean my room. So first we're going to be cleaning my room a little bit, tidying up, because right now the floor is not walkable and the space is not livable, so we're going to be doing that, and then we're going to start the organizational process using the KonMari method. And if you don't know what that is, just look it up, but basically it's a way to just get rid of stuff, part ways with objects and items that you don't really use anymore and that don't bring you joy. And then we're going to do a little bit of redecorating. I'm going to buy a new duvet cover and some new decorations for my room, and then you'll see the final product, and hopefully it's a lot different than what you're about to see. So let me show you what it looks like right now, and then let's get started. Alright guys, I am not ready for this because my room is really embarrassing, but it's gonna look better at the end of this video, so here we go. So here's just a small overview of my room. This, I don't know why it's out from the wall. There's stuff everywhere. There's clothes everywhere. I have to do so much laundry. There's so much laundry in here. There's drawers open. I'm stepping on everything. There's cups everywhere. Bed's obviously not made. Clean clothes that I need to put away. More cups. And my vanity is a disaster. We have a lot of work to do. Let's just say that. The only rearranging I think I'm going to do is move my bed and my nightstands onto this wall. Move those over there somewhere. I'm not really sure. I'm also going to be reorganizing all my drawers. I usually keep most of my stuff pretty organized in this stuff, but it's got a little bit messy in here and stuff. So we're going to be organizing every drawer, every cabinet, everything is going to be reorganized. So yeah, I'm going to be giving away a bunch of stuff. And why is there a tag on my door? Oh my goodness. Anyways, we're going to be giving away a bunch of stuff. We're having a yard sale. I'm going to be selling some things, poshmarking them, giving them away, donating them, whatever that I feel like I need to do, I'm going to be doing. And this room is going to look so much better in just a little bit, and you will see. So, let's get into it.
Met this girl down by the vine, had long tan legs and big brown eyes.
How many red Solo cups can a girl keep in her room, and how many cups into, I don't know.
She said, I can tell you're not my type. You're Mr. Wrong, I'm Mrs. Right. This could never be what you wanna be tonight.
Okay, I'm about to buy my duvet cover. It's from IKEA. I'm not going to show you guys on here what it looks like, just because I want it to be a little surprise for the end of the video. But I'm about to purchase it really quick and see how long it's going to take to get here. Alright guys, so I just got done cleaning my room enough to where I can walk around in here and the floors are clear and stuff. So I'm going to start organizing, and the first thing I'm going to tackle is clothes, because it is a big problem in my room. I used to have all my drawers and everything super organized, and then it just kind of got out of hand, and then I knew I was doing this video, so it got even more out of hand. So I'm gonna do that. I also have laundry to do too, so I'm gonna go put that in while I'm organizing the stuff that's already clean. I'm gonna be taking everything out of my closets and out of my drawers and putting it all on my bed and going through it piece by piece and deciphering whether or not I want to keep it or not. And then I'm gonna put it all away in an organized manner. So it's gonna be a long time lapse. Let's get started.
Said, girl, I set the record straight. I got shells of them, just go press play. We could spin it all, you don't have to be alone. Whoa. She said 9 to 5, I'm killing time, but 24/7, 365, might have to be where I feel your sunshine. Locks my eyes, says, boy, you know what, I guess you're alright. She said, I don't mean to make this hard, but trust me, boy, I've got these scars. If you hit and run, you know that won't get you far. Said, girl, you got it set in stone. If you lay the mat, I'll call you home. I'll make you mine and you'll never be alone. said 9 to 5, I'm killing time, but 24/7, 365, I'd have to be where I feel your sunshine.
Okay, so a little update. I just put all of my clothes that I'm keeping back in my closets and drawers. I put the load of laundry that was in the washer in the dryer and then put another load in the washer, so once all that's done, I'm gonna have to go through all of that. But I'm making a lot of progress. I'm about to go put the, donate bin out in my living room, so it's just not in my room anymore. And then I have to go through Dustin's clothes because I have a lot of them in here as well, and I didn't go through that yet, so I need to go through Dustin's clothes and, put them away. But before I do that, I'm gonna go through all of my purses, which are on this little rack right here. I don't wear purses, ever, so I don't even know why I have this many. I probably will keep one just in case I have an event that I need to go to that I need a purse for, so I'm about to go through those real quick. Alright, so the grand total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crossbody bags and 2 wallets.
Nothing quite like all this.
These are all of the long sleeve shirts and jackets that I ended up keeping, so that's not a lot compared to what was in there.
Rising, I can see them on the way. Couple birds came up beside me, had to feed them some Bob Marley. Swear I heard them.
So this is done, looking good. Now on to the summer shoe cabinet.
Heaven falls, heaven falls, as heaven falls, heaven falls, heaven falls down on me.
So this is what we have so far. We still have some cleaning supplies out and whatnot, but I moved my clothing rack, my little pot, and my little poof right here, and I moved my mirror right here, but we still have a bunch of mess on this end of the room. Basically it's all just pillows and stuff that I need to put somewhere until I get my new bedspread. But our next task is to go through my entire Alex 9 drawers, organize, purge, whatever I need to do, and my 2 desk drawers, and organize all of that.
Oh grace, oh grace, every time you come around I feel okay. You help me see color in a world of gray. Girl, you make me feel some type of way. Ooh. Every little thing you say or you do got me feeling like everything is brand new.
So it's a little later in the day, but I just wanted to update you guys. I just got out of the shower, but my room is pretty much completely finished except for the decorating part, but I have to go buy a few things and my comforter doesn't get here until Monday and it is Friday. So my room is pretty much clean, everything's organized, everything's been dusted and vacuumed and everything, so I'll show you a little overview of what it looks like right now. But everything is clean and organized and all the drawers are just really organized and everything's been dusted and yeah.
With me there ain't no other place I'd rather be that I can see. I love the way you move. There's nothing that you have to prove. Just say my name and I'll come through. Oh grace, oh grace, every time you come around I feel okay. You help me see color in a world of gray. Some type of way. Oh, grace, oh, grace. Make me feel some type of way. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in darker, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls